While this video may not resonate with everyone, those who do tune in and actively apply the advice shared within could see transformative benefits in their careers and lives. Part 11.
If you've made it this far, students, then you've knocked out all the essential milestones needed before you can land a job. So, what's next on the agenda?
Congratulations! By now you should have completed important milestones. So, well done on reaching these outstanding achievements. Moving on, let me share with you some valuable tips that could boost your chances of securing a job opportunity. Before landing a job after gaining your first cloud certification, you have to start working on your CV. It should contain evidence that you have basic IT knowledge prior to your cloud certification. This signals that you didn't just jump into the cloud world, but have a solid understanding of information technology. So it looks more natural and convincing to hire someone with a logical CV structure versus only a standalone cloud certification.
What about hands-on experience? Is it important?
Yes, of course. It is important to get hands-on practice with what you have learned from your certification. You should do many labs and exercises in a test environment to develop a solid understanding of how services work in the cloud. This practical knowledge will be valuable during technical interviews. The interviewers will evaluate your understanding of cloud computing. They may ask you to solve a case study or explain how you would design a sample system. In a way, practice makes perfect.